Hello friends, welcome back to another new video. Today I gonna talk about an interesting application. By this application, you can transfer your SD card or internal storage of your Android phone to your PC. You can transfer your files with using internet and not using internet. Both facilities are included in this application. At first, I'll show you how you can transfer your files using Wi-Fi connection. So, let's get started. At first, we have to go to the Play Store, and on the search box, we have to type ShareMe, ShareMe, and search it. After that, you will find an application. The name of the application is ShareMe, previously MI It is a official application of Xiaomi, but it will be installed in any Android phone. So just install it. I have already installed it, that's why I am opening the application. After opening this application, you will find such a kind of interface, or you have to skip some steps. After that, you will find this screen. Okay, to share your whole SD card or internal storage of your Android phone, you have to tap on the three dotted line over the top left corner. Okay, just after tapping the three dotted line, you will find connect to computer. Then click on it. If you click on it, you will find such a kind of interface. Remember that your Android phone and PC have to connect it in same Wi-Fi network. Again, have to connect it in the same Wi-Fi network both of your device. Here you can see that my phone is connected with the Wi-Fi network and same about the PC. Okay, now click on the start button. Here you will find two options, portable or non password protected. Here you can use it. If you use the portable option, which one is not secure, anyone who are connected to your Wi-Fi can use your SD card or your file. If you select the password protected option, only who knows your password can use the application your files. Okay, now I am tapping on the password protected option. Here we'll find such a interface to select your username and password. Here I am giving username and password. Now just click on OK. You have to just type it. You can type whatever you want. Now I want to share the SD card. Okay. Okay. Now you see such a kind of interface where the FTP ID is provided to you. Now you have to search the FTP ID that was given here. Now you have to go to your Windows and open any types of browser. Here I am opening Chrome browser. Here just you have to type the code that was given to the screen. Here FTP, just I am typing this code to the FTP to the browser. Here I am typing the code. Now click on the enter button. Here you will show the interface to sign in. The username that I have already given to my phone, I have to type it. Here it is, and I have to give the password here. After giving this information, just click on the enter button. Now you will find the interface of your SD card. Now you can use your whole SD card that was provided from your Android. Now I am using the video option to download the video that I wanted. Here I can access all the information that was in our Android phone. Here I have to download something. Okay, here just click. I just clicked and the download option was provided to me. Okay, now I'm trying to download it to check out the speed. Okay, now you can find here that the speed is more than 3 mbps average. Uh, it depends on your phone and the laptop. It has been completed. Now I will show you how you can transfer your mobile's application or data to your PC without internet connection. For this reason, you have to click on the three dotted line. Here you will find web share. Now click on the web share. After clicking the share button, just you have to select the which file you want to share to your PC. Okay, I want to share one of my video. Okay, here this file I want to share. Now I have to click on the send button. Now you can see that your mobile model number and a password was given and your hotspot is turned on automatically. Now I have to click on the next button and here you will find a address and you have to go to the PC and you have to connect the PC to the hotspot that was turned on your Android phone. In my PC, I have to click on the Wi-Fi symbol. Here I have to find the Android phone's hotspot. Here, here it is, Redmi 5A. I have to connect this Wi-Fi connection. I have to just wait for checking network requirement. Now in the box, I have to type the password that was provided to me on my Android phone. After typing, I have to click on the next button. Okay, my connection has been established. Now I have to go any types of browser. Now I am opening my Chrome browser. Now I have to type the ID that was provided to me by the Android phone. I'm typing the address. Now I can see the folder that I have shared from my Android phone. Now I have to click the download button. Here it is. Just see the speed. It's more than 2 mbps average. It's a great speed. There is no disturbance of using cables or anything else. You also can use ShareIt, but has a lot of problem to share files from Android to PC. You can also use this application to share files Android to Android. It's more easier than ShareIt. I can guarantee you that it is more easier than ShareIt. Okay, my file has been downloaded in my PC. That way you can share your Android phone data to your PC very easily. Thank you for watching this video.